The RQ-170 Sentinel is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division for the United States Air Force, USAF. It's classified as a stealth reconnaissance aircraft, primarily used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The RQ-170 is designed with stealth in mind, featuring a low observable design to minimize radar cross-section and infrared signature, making it difficult for adversaries to detect and track. It typically carries advanced sensors and imaging equipment for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. These may include electro-optical/infrared (EO/IR) cameras, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), signals intelligence (SIGINT) equipment, and possibly other classified systems. The Sentinel is capable of long-endurance flights, allowing it to loiter over target areas for extended periods to gather intelligence and monitor activities. It likely features advanced communication systems to transmit collected data securely to ground stations or command centers in real time.